In the world of agriculture, the pursuit of healthy crops and bountiful harvests has long relied on pesticides to keep damaging pests at bay. However, as we learn more about the environmental impact of chemical pesticides, farmers and gardeners alike are turning to smarter, more sustainable solutions. Among the most promising alternatives are beneficial insects, nature's own pest control experts. These tiny allies work tirelessly, often unseen, to protect crops, balance ecosystems, and reduce the need for harmful chemicals. Today, let's explore the top 7 beneficial insects that are transforming agriculture, replacing pesticides, and paving the way for a smarter, greener future. First on our list are ladybugs, also known as ladybird beetles. These charismatic, brightly colored beetles are more than just a welcome sight in gardens. They are voracious predators of aphids, mites, and other soft-bodied pests that can devastate crops. A single ladybug can consume up to 5,000 aphids in its lifetime. Ladybugs are especially effective because both adults and larvae feed on pests, making them a double threat to harmful insects. By introducing ladybugs into fields and greenhouses, farmers can significantly reduce aphid populations without resorting to chemical sprays. This not only protects the crops, but also preserves beneficial pollinators like bees, which can be harmed by pesticides. Ladybugs exemplify the power of natural pest control, and their presence is a sign of a healthy, balanced ecosystem. Next, we turn our attention to lacewings, delicate insects with striking, transparent wings. Despite their fragile appearance, lacewing larvae are fierce predators known as aphid lions. They feed on aphids, thrips, mealybugs, and even the eggs of caterpillars. Lacewing larvae inject digestive enzymes into their prey, liquefying them before consumption, a highly effective method of pest elimination. Farmers often release lacewing eggs in greenhouses or open fields, where the hatching larvae immediately begin hunting for pests. With their broad diet and relentless feeding habits, lacewings provide targeted control for a wide variety of crop-damaging insects. Their use helps maintain a thriving agricultural ecosystem, free from the residues and risks associated with chemical pesticides. The third beneficial insect on our list is the praying mantis. Praying mantises have an undeniable presence, with their elongated bodies and iconic folded forearms. These formidable hunters are generalists, consuming a vast array of pests, including grasshoppers, beetles, caterpillars, and flies. Mantises are particularly valuable because they target larger pests that are often resistant to other biological controls. With their lightning-fast reflexes and powerful jaws, mantises keep populations of harmful insects in check, minimizing crop damage. While they may occasionally feed on other beneficial insects, their overall impact on pest populations makes them a valuable addition to integrated pest management systems. Farmers often encourage mantises by providing native plants and avoiding broad-spectrum pesticides that could harm them. Number 4 on our list is the parasitic wasp. These tiny, often unnoticed insects are among the most effective natural enemies of caterpillars, whiteflies, and other crop pests. Parasitic wasps lay their eggs inside or on their host, and when the larvae hatch, they feed on the pest, ultimately killing it. Some species of parasitic wasps are highly specialized, targeting specific pests such as tomato hornworms, corn borers, or aphids. Farmers and gardeners harness their power by releasing them in controlled environments or by planting companion flowers that attract adult wasps. The beauty of parasitic wasps lies in their precision. They target harmful insects with minimal impact on other beneficial species. Their use is a cornerstone of sustainable agriculture, supporting crop health while reducing reliance on chemical interventions. Next, we highlight ground beetles, nocturnal hunters that patrol the soil, searching for pests that attack roots, seeds, and young plants. Ground beetles feed on slugs, caterpillars, cutworms, and even weed seeds, making them invaluable for both pest and weed control. Unlike many other beneficial insects, ground beetles are not easily seen during the day, but their work is evident in healthier pest-free crops. Farmers encourage ground beetles by maintaining mulch, cover crops, and undisturbed habitats at field edges. This approach not only boosts beetle populations, but also supports soil health and biodiversity. Ground beetles are a testament to the importance of fostering a living, dynamic ecosystem beneath our feet. Sixth on our list is the hoverfly, sometimes called the syrphid fly. Hoverflies are remarkable for their mimicry, often resembling bees or wasps, though they are harmless to humans. The larvae of hoverflies are insatiable aphid eaters, consuming hundreds of these pests before pupating. Adult hoverflies are important pollinators, visiting flowers for nectar and pollen. By supporting hoverfly populations, farmers gain a dual benefit: natural pest control and enhanced pollination. Hoverflies thrive in diverse landscapes with plenty of flowering plants, making them a perfect fit for farms that practice crop rotation and intercropping. Their presence signals a healthy, vibrant ecosystem where pests are kept in check naturally. Finally, we come to the seventh beneficial insect, the predatory mite. While many mites are considered pests, predatory mites are powerful allies in the fight against spider mites, thrips, and small insects that damage fruits, vegetables, and ornamental plants. Predatory mites are often released in greenhouses and orchards, where they establish themselves and begin hunting harmful mites almost immediately. Their rapid reproduction and ability to seek out pests in hard-to-reach places make them indispensable for growers who want to avoid chemical miticides. By maintaining optimal humidity and avoiding broad-spectrum pesticides, farmers can support thriving populations of predatory mites, ensuring ongoing protection against damaging pests. As we reflect on these 7 remarkable insects, ladybugs, lacewings, praying mantises, parasitic wasps, ground beetles, hoverflies, and predatory mites, it's clear that the future of agriculture lies in harnessing the power of nature. Beneficial insects offer effective, sustainable pest control, reducing the need for synthetic pesticides and supporting healthy crops, soil, and pollinators. By adopting integrated pest management practices such as planting cover crops, providing habitat, and carefully timing releases, farmers can build resilient ecosystems that thrive year after year. The benefits extend beyond the fields themselves. Reducing pesticide use means cleaner water, safer food, and healthier communities. Wildlife flourishes, pollinators rebound, and soil organisms continue their vital work. These insects become silent partners in the quest for food security and environmental stewardship. Embracing beneficial insects is not just a return to traditional wisdom, it's a leap forward in smart agriculture. The SMART-AGRI Hub recognizes that innovation comes from understanding and working with nature, not against it. By sharing knowledge, supporting research, and encouraging collaboration among farmers, scientists, and gardeners, we can accelerate the adoption of biological pest control and create a brighter, more sustainable future for all. So next time you see a ladybug crawling on a leaf, a lacewing fluttering by, or a hoverfly hovering over a flower, remember the vital role these insects play. They are the guardians of our crops, the champions of biodiversity, and the key to a world where agriculture and nature coexist in harmony. By choosing to support beneficial insects, we choose a path of stewardship, resilience, and hope, a path that will nourish the land and its people for generations to come.